Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Slack with Google Calendar so you never miss another meeting. First, in your Slack sidebar, click on Apps and search for Google Calendar. Select the official Google Calendar app and click Add to Slack. You'll need to sign in with your Google account to authorize the connection. Once connected, you can choose which calendars you want to sync and where you want to receive. Notifications. You'll get reminders in Slack before your meetings start. And you can even see what meetings are coming up today by typing "today" in any message box. If you're in a meeting, you can set your Slack status to automatically show you're busy based on your calendar events. You can also join Google Meet calls directly from the Slack notification with just one click to see your full schedule. Just type calendar in any message box, and that's it. You've just connected Google Calendar to Slack, making your schedule and meetings perfectly synced with your team communication. If this integration saves you time, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.